Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can create a payment page on Wix. So, first off, when you actually want to create a payment page, you'll need to make a Wix website that is an online store type. So, what I mean by that is by when you create a new site here, for example, on Wix, let me skip this AI chat. Now, you'll see that when you first create a Wix website, you can have a couple of things here like online store, portfolio, blog, consultant, technology company, restaurant, and event. Now, it wouldn't make sense for you to have a payment page on a portfolio, right? What are you going to be paying? So you have to make a website that is a online store type, right? So let me exit out of this. Now, I have a website here that is an online store type. So it looks like this, right? This is an online store. Look, as like this. The way you can make a online store on Wix is by going to the creative site earlier I got, right? And instead of picking the portfolio one I showed you earlier, we're going to pick an online store one. So I'm going to exit out and I'm going to do online store. I'm going to click on continue. Now let's wait for it to set up. Give it a second. Great. Now from here, you can set up your store. I'm going to set it up by saying example store. And I'm going to continue. I'm already starting. I'm going to say I'm just starting out. Physical products, online store. And there you go. It's done. Now, it doesn't matter what you answered there. Uh, if you're only looking for finding a payment page. Now, I'm going to click on design site here. And I'm going to pick a template. And I'm going to pick this template here. Give it a second to load. Now, after a while, you'll see here, the site has been loaded. Now, it'll load in a couple of apps and install a couple of things as well. Just be patient and wait for all of these processes to finish. But now that it's finished, you can also close out of this if you don't like it. Anyways, now go on to page. On page, you'll see there's a thing called cart page. Now, this is where you make a payment, right? When the customer buys something, it'll be here. Now, you can see right now we can't see anything because our cart is empty. So let's add something on our cart. I'm going to click on preview here. And I'm going to click back to my home page. Now, once here, I'm going to add something to my product page. I'm going to click checkout or view cart. If the checkout button doesn't work, click on view cart. Now, you'll see this is where we can add a payment page, right? Now, when you click on checkout, it'll be automatically redirected onto Wix's own checkout page. But this is where you can add in a my cart section or a payment page, right? And this page acts as something that's absolute because if I go to manage pages and I go to site menu here, for example, I can delete all other pages, right? If I want to delete my about page, I can. But if I want to go to cart pages, I won't be able to delete this, right? I can't delete this. The only way I could remotely come close to that is by putting it behind a password wall. But just be sure that when you actually make an online store, your payment page and also your cart page will be automatically created for you, and you won't need to worry about it disappearing or anything such as that.